Hey, if you are wondering how you can charge DJI Osmo Action 6, let me quickly explain. So first of all, when you take a look on the box, we can find this information about recommended charger from 2.5 watts into 27 watts. But of course, you can use even much more powerful power adapters. And in this case, I'm actually using cable from my PC. It's currently connected to my PC. Now take a look, I'm gonna plug it in into my DJI. And I'm gonna stop this record, and as you can see, it just start charging. So what I want to say that you can charge this device by any other devices, by your PC, laptop, smartphone, your TV or monitor, even if you have a supported USB port on your device, or for example by using smartphone charger. You just have to plug it straight into that USB-C port. And now it actually depends of how powerful is your device. So if you have the smartphone charger with 100 watts, then it will still limit this power into 27 watts, which is the fastest speed, charging speed for this device. But if you are using, for example, connection with your laptop, and let's say the output is like 10 watts, then it will just charge it with 10 watts speed. So this is it, just base information for you. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.